okay. Here this world of entertainment. Nature good, your father was seen. When near you crash or near bon como, Kakramidin, Sandra or Heme. I'm at two edge, you may Adom entertainment. I'm a Ghana for Tremor.
When you start sending, where do you die? Where you guy? Sister Sunday be a guy. We a guy.
Real quick. Da ye two for kakra, beka show say we election year. No show who see ya mame. Mebuno no. Onko na omu kontokwa na omu twaseka omu twid. Hey. Amu nso ade achi bia news ba abonten say ye pra obi because of election. Onko na MP na okwa ma no wadwo ne ho play mu. Ti ya hwe ho see wate. Aha, ye nko ensem no. So ho kwese wo ha say. Hu na che. Ono election komo ya me ne betwetwe kakra. Ofie ha say ya. Peace or a doctor, ebi so a nurse, ebi kura or hen kwala, ni nyina emene, ye betoto nanum na ye bisa no. No kwe pa wo asem no emu. But on a very sad note, yen share asie. Abranti a series ya omo jiji kakra wo YouTube ni ade skit. Okota krade ho ase, wa say ho. Na say tadi fo nyina ase ya momo extend ba akra the whole Ghana. Everybody heard of Janka Town. Enra na say information and I'm social and in the media no so say abanti ne daya one sorry. It's very sad. Make an ho asemi mamen kai wo onia oje hwade brasisia.
This
Ain't there's a near SC and no. I dare chair UT qua no more. It's very sad. It's very sad. Yeah, try say a name producer no. Rebecca Sawiyano. Hi, good morning, boss. Hello.
Hello, I can hear you, Clay. Good morning.
Good morning. Yama Kwaba Badwam TV so.
I'm there so.
And there's a summer better a general social so any. First of all, we bet me a confirm me and my say so no correct say Abranti na kanchine.
Yeah, I know quite. I was with him when it happened. I know quite.
Okay. Yeah, who video be on social media. Now more try say we better care mu near the we still don't get it. And say what really happened. Do you mind sharing with us? They see ya na more pick up near the other side. They see ya hopper.
Okay. I've been in there now for some time. I think after the TGM, I think. Also, the brother can answer our program or Swedro. He wanted to attend, so he took permission and left. Actually, we've been waiting for him to come on set because our project to be all about it, so we're just waiting for him. Also, also normally he came with a tooth problem. We meet to be, now I'm comfortable in listening and see. Maybe possible she has to visit a dentist, and that's what we're all expecting. Then in the process, about a day or two later, it developed into a boil in his throat, and see now he couldn't talk. He couldn't drink water, or he couldn't eat too. And see, as usual, when something like that happens, we'll be at the near, but somewhere suggested let's take him to this kind of guys. And then the Muslims say they treat these wells with certain herbs nowadays. And that's what we tried initially. And so I that not pay. Then we also thought that it was over because from there on, he was talking, no casa. But no, here that's too audible and not too clear and not too loud. Suddenly, that the third day, they would realize that also no other visit will be when they told him to come there for maybe 2 or 3 days. And so then we suggested, let's take him to the hospital too. So we took him to the first hospital. Then he just, I don't know, I am comfortable hospital, so he wanted to leave. We all laughed about certain things. The hospital for company injection with a man, then soon the doors, so I can say, you know, that he's that kind of humorous type. The years is to be it's really at the most, every day, piano. The guy would not talk. All he needed was a bucket, another pill. Then he would be emitting that kind of saliva and flames from the nose and everything. And I think it took a toll on him. When they were actually, she started all the train suddenly. So we got worried. So I spoke to her family and was okay, let's go to another hospital. Honestly, we took him to, if I didn't even go on that trip, when we go to Quanta, no. Also, the one was, no, it wasn't comfortable, no fuel. In the fuel, maybe the early hours of the morning, around 5. No, some I'm clinic in our town, maybe away treating the test, not see if they can help again. No, okay, the way I wire we feel that our hospital in some busy. To work on the hospital, someone come on because the hospital be able to be. So yesterday morning, when I went there in the morning, the situation was bad. And cancer, a day before when I went there, I realized that his situation was terrible. And I called a few people. I was like, if we don't do something special for this guy at this point in time,
and that was
for me, I think that for him to live the next 24 hours shouldn't be obey.
Wow.
And plus, when I went there, also, some about down about hospital. So me and a few guys, about 6 of us, hospital. So I just sent where I live. So I just asked them to escort me to the hospital.
Okay.
And when she went to the hospital, the doctor was like, "I cannot say, new truth, you know, the amount of oxygen or dog coming, like on and like new truth in your life." So I think he was suggesting that we should take him to a Philipa hospital. So
ne kwakwa say what day ankasana ningina end what day hefa na isi ningina si wa.
So then when the doctor told me to go like take him to a Philipa and tell him to be changed my back. We do it and the next day on the hospital bed. Then we're like, okay, and I was like, I'm going to change my back. And the doctor decided, okay, I'm on the first aid because we saw, you know. Honestly, it was in a very bad situation. And so when I came back, in a space of about 2 or 3 minutes, now I am media.
For your time. And your mamoyako, your mamonia busiamoni na Jaco. Yeah, we are here. Mobile Ache. And Tijan Katao, a bunch of our country, good producer, and no HH and Como. Mammy Chame home Marsima, maybe see ya. Yo, where tutorials? Where do you know my catch? Yo, because don't tell me. So, you've done amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, it's only a useful for us.
Nice one. But a quick one. What have you been up to? For some time now, Ufi sister Nimka Krana, Yanshadan, Kebiso, your nurse, Ebiso, your doctor, Ebiso, Ocean Qualaja, and some the doors. And also, and the menu, hey, my pastor, Wabakache, what you've been up to, and the idea.
May I say, best, my can say almost best 8 years, 7 years ago, and me breaky kakra.
Okay.
But still, not made the singles, but one be, but not time or no.
Okay.
Because me decided to mess go back to school.
Okay.
To me, now me when you say age is just a number. And growing up, we na me what that vision, and I say me what that dream, no. Say na me ya do me person me a doctor.
Okay.
And but and near my BCC kakra, me lose both parents. And don't see my man to me and yes and then me person me. But me throttle baby. Say come watch me one day. Me go back to it. And see along the line, That's a my school for almost 20 years. I'm a go back to school.
Wow.
Now I pursue then I'm a person me no.
Good.
To me a physician assistantship.
Okay.
And a Adom. Or mammy to me a wee.
Okay.
A Adom. Or my man used to call mammy we with first class.
You're not a physician.
That is it.
I know. I mean, those are what question I kind of say.
Oh,
where the hang we real quick. The advert free, Jenny free, or whatever.
Yes, I'm a part of Philipa's Medical Center. Yeah, well, La Paz in Yamecha Junction. It is a free La Paz nearby Yamecha Junction. Free, Kwashe Mines so nearby. Yes. Yane Kata. And you know the same lane. Yeah. Good. Our N1 is so. Yes. It's free La Paz nearby. Ufri ya what kind I mean no what do kata. Okay. Ufri the other side is so nearby any atala and ye nhwe mu. Okay. Philipa's Medical Center. Ye general OPD, ye labs, ye physiotherapy. Wow. Just ye bibia stress relief management. Se wo so na pesa wo so tim so stressy. Sanity. Enya so ngetu a. Eti na we no. What of fa ye hell na ne Philipa chat TikTok. Sanity. Now we celebrate now chat pictures. I 3 packs all in one, 3 in 1. Nice one. It's just a physician. So you're getting it right. A doctor, nurse, or a physician. Now, what question? And you may away. Yes, I will election you. What's I will be able to be. You see, I don't confront you. No. Because I knew way about 2070. I'm not 280. Okay. 207. And I knew money buy. Buy no, Nana man, Eddie can make a once. So my man, I can see before I cross as I cry a day. I buy any man, I mean, who dear call. Hey, when I'm walking, you may once more, as we are worried. But ye be rat 280 no, and I know my child is epic. Okay. It's best December more on air fro. By January, na kotoko 4 AUC. By February, na can 208 Black Stars UC. Oh, maybe a free. It's just a buy, yeah. MPP be you see it's a bibia me ye answer and abampo out and sana na me Adom by one MPP for contact we na hu yan somebody campaign eh na say wuntimi omo use yin na no ntimi nya ne say copyright ho and dey say oh yeah but why dey on MPP ni oh me MPP ni kwa oba panya bon me mama no mabusuafo nyina MPP say me MPP ni a yes no it's not a problem yeah that is it but this year be MPP. Oh, you see, and I make us me said I'm more than you say. Okay. But me young no, not be a political party. Yes. So feel say oh, and then some more no far. Yeah. It's here new one year or the abbey. Just imagine say oh now when you call NDC for Africa. Say I see you so. Yeah, but home pie. Because back no. Omo contact you no kra na ebo ho pa yansa ya me pese me de me pe be bibi no correct that is it and now one thing so say enema bi o ho you see say obo ho pa na nyame ma go ahead I just do it that is it me organiani me to aba ndi say political party be enya bibi e boroso enya wan yeah say do mo ya advert na mo fa obenwuma to ase enya won first person so abe political so no ena anyum no kwa ma anya for political reasons but exactly. Just the beton queen. Thank you. What's the inspiration behind this single? Okay. Baby of fire free yemono. Yemo yan we to see so. Ye wo ya to akware so. Baby aye free no na ebusuane munye. Ono ma me no kwa te ase no na nyadoa na no woton. Na ka 1+1 aka cho se nyadoa. Hey Charlie. Oh. And the professor baby o de me free baby o de ma bedru no. E bro adwene nti ase so. Wa wo tie me. Ya wo na nye se na wo tie. Onyame wa ye bi. Ada ya wo na ye wo bi wan survive. Ye nyini ba classroom na ye tie no. Ye hu se ye mate ni bi no e bi free mu. Talking of classroom we go school e munche. Because munche. Munche was you said that for one more figure go school. Obi a wo figure munche. Kuma se academy for that. Kuma ka for your that. Yeah no. Mama found too. Enti a ofe munche na me call ye. Na Erade Adom ti me hwe ba bi odi me fini ba bi odi ma bedru a just Ahosepe onyame wa ye bi and wa wo tie me so onyame aye bi ama wo dan na ye twense bi be kesi bi be si ansa na onyame kesi de bi da enti anwum no se Yet ye nsi nkonya. Ye mo bi mekanche de nyame aye. The gift of life is enough for us.
Enough. And no, it's not no pay. Me requested Ahosepe, brand new one from Philipa.
Mama fact ye we ntwem. What you say? Those times you know, ebi ani enye obi, ani we are nobody.
Ye nim se be.
Ene one nam ho obi timi nipa we minim oh minim the code school. Minim na ye say ya safie no ke ye chewa enka wonye.
And we nyama bem say obi ade ho better.
Ene you benya na nke ye ho nipa e wo nwom ni mu.
Auntie Philipa, where guy oh you share nkomo say it's a brand new one send you kind the gift of life enough. Yentie brand new one from Philipa Baafi Ahosepe.
Exactly.
Very beautiful. And
Adom I know dear. I thank God for it.
Kewa. Ono so na say so
Charlie, enye easy.
Oh, Baafi dey kaka ni kwani do timi yenti no. Where a straight hit.
Amen. Amen.
When I contact Kewa na can say bra monye bibi.
Oh, me na me contact you.
Okay.
Yeah. Already Adom anyom no e ba ye no me ne na boate e trust no si no. We dey nipa obetumi aye sa adwom we. Eni Kewa. Ampa ono se edru wo na ye bo nyom no so na wo se
meye.
Na me Adom.
Nyame insha no.
Already Adom.
Nyame insha no. It we digital platforms. Me say YouTube that.
Exactly. I think I did to YouTube almost 3 weeks in.
Okay.
It is on my birthday. That was 15th May, you know. And Already Adom is doing so well.
Yes.
Now me Adom call YouTube now. Your official Philipa Baafi.
Okay.
Official Philipa Baafi. Obenya and all the digital platforms in both the audio and the video. iTunes, Audio Mac, Boomplay, Deezer, what else? Nina, Okobebia, Onsa Ebeka.
Wow.
Yeah,
that's it. Piece,
yeah.
Let's try. You know this is home.
Tell you.
Always and always.
I tell you.
You are welcome.
Tell you.
But ujina social media.
Ujina sopa.
Oh, bobo handles.
Mijinemu.
Sabilaba.
All right. It is social media handles. No, official Philipa Baafi, Facebook, IG official Philipa Baafi, YouTube official Philipa Baafi, TikTok no dear. Of profiling the kaka, Philip bells.
What I say? I don't know the hospital. No. Straight up. I go from some fan cram. I'll sound for your motivate. Almost some doing your Sunday school. Tell me some say.
I don't know some just my mom.
It's Philipa Baafi. But you are still looking so beautiful.
Thank you.
And very healthy.
Thank you.
Amen. Always welcome.
Thank you.
Philipa Baafi and then the come a brand new one at Ahosepe on all social media, on all digital platforms. Philipa Baafi, official Philipa Baafi on social media. Ending show honey and Numa Power Egugu. Well, Bekofi Amperia, my director, Uncle Thomas Horse, Moses, Padiboche, Sunday school teacher. On also PRO Christopher and Afe Festus Latinino. I'm the guy's queen. Jadi besi nyame adom efiada. Ye be say share. I hope if you want to fan to so near fan pon.